guess what, guys? I want to talk to you guys about this amazing shake that I've received. To you guys about LadyBoss LEAN. It's a premium protein from women, an all-in-one nutritional shake mix that is amazing, tastes fantastic, and has so many amazing benefits. Helps you to lose weight, has immunity support, controls your cravings, helps control cravings that people need, and it's great for your overall digestive health. And instead of starving myself all day long, I get to drink my coffee like I do every morning and have the benefits and the nutrition and the protein that I'm missing from my intermediate meals that I've been doing every morning. So I drink a cup of coffee, but it's just coffee. Now I can put this in, have protein and all the essential vitamins that us women need, lose weight, and have it all in my regular cup of coffee that I drink every single day. So this way I don't have to like add any sugar because it's very like sweet. It tastes so good. It does taste like a vanilla cake, which is awesome. Yeah, this is so good. Alright, so this is definitely a must for if you're like me, only drink coffee in the morning and you have nothing else. This is a way healthier way to have coffee in the morning and lose the weight, because right here is a meal replacement and a drink, and now I don't have to feel like I'm starving all day. And what's really great is there's a limited time. You can get 3 free samples if you click on the link and try them out for yourself. This is honestly really great. Like it says, it is way better than a Starbucks coffee and it's way healthier. Honestly, I am pleasantly surprised and I'm so excited about this because it's going to make a total difference in my daily routine. An avid coffee drinker like myself, why not replace meals, lose weight, and have your cup of coffee every day, and you lose weight just from drinking coffee? Win-win situation. So definitely super happy about this, and you guys definitely should check it out. And since they're giving away free samples, why not sign up, check it out, get your free samples, test it out for yourself. There's many different ways you can drink this.